NoMoreNoobie here. The PS5 comes with ShareFactoryStudio creator packs. There are 7 in total, and this video is going to show you all that the breaking news creator pack can offer you. Generally, there are custom intros, outros, stickers, screenshots, transitions and sound effects, and I'll show you all of these in this very quick video. Watch the next videos on the other creator packs so you get to see what they can offer too. Firstly, let's take a look at the intros, outros, titles and stinger clips. And next, the screenshots. And here are the breaking news transitions.
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel. I intend to enjoy this one.
And these are the breaking news stickers available. In addition to the normal text fonts, these are additional text fonts that are available in the Breaking News Creator Pack. And these are all the Breaking News sound effects.
All the news right here. Don't go away.
And now, the weather.
And that's a wrap of today's news.
Celebrity news.
Breaking news. Back to you.
Entertainment news.
Stay tuned for sports.
That's all the time we have. What happened next will shock you. We'll be right back after these messages. A warning to our more sensitive viewers. But first, a word from our sponsors.
If you're interested in Share Factory tutorials or the anime pack, then do check out the videos on screen now. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and comment below to let me know what you thought. And thanks very much for watching, and bye.